Stand still! Just stay behind me. Guys, just move back a little bit. Move back and then stand still.
Let's just slowly back off.
Remember, nothing is clear-cut in this exercise.
Okay,
In this
slowly.
case, because Andreas gave us verbal instructions to withdraw, instead of moving us out quietly, we decided to activate the lioness target.
Okay, stay together, stay behind me.
So a shot between the eyes will still be effective, but it will be hitting the front part of the brain. And if you're off a little bit to the front, you stand the chance of actually missing the brain and then only wounding the animal. This target is going to come at about 7.5 meters per second, which is a third slower than what the lion will come in actual fact. If you take a lion's speed at about 22 meters per second, you'll see that it's drastically a lot faster. Your natural inclination then would be rather to ignore the brain, but go then for the central mass. And that's why it's very important to go down on your knees and shoot these targets. At 3 times the speed, it's going to be a lot more difficult than what it is going to be on this sled at 7.5 meters a second.
Imagine the center point of that broomstick. That's what you need to hit with a bullet. And then you're right here. Breaking the broomstick is what kills the elephant. Right, so we've got the ear canal here. So let's take the stick, the broomstick in that, and pivot it around. You see where your bullet will come through. So you need to understand on the outside, where is the ear hole? You need to figure that out. And how do you learn that? Well, go and look at elephants. For practical purposes, there's 2 designs. The one is an expanding bullet that we want to use on soft-skinned animals. We want the bullet to expand in size, to create a big wound channel, to let the animal bleed out quick, cause a lot of trauma, a lot of internal injury. And then on the other side, we want a solid bullet that will stay intact and on course while in the target. So we want deep, long and straight penetration.
Now the soft nose went in and it did what a soft nose is supposed to do. It mushroomed, and the guys told me afterwards that that probably didn't even reach the brain case. Luckily, the force of it was enough to stop her charge. She did still hit me and pushed me into a tree. And then when she came for me again, my backup shot her from there. So what I'm saying now is, yes, have a soft nose with you. Don't carry it in your magazine. My experience, use monolithic solids.
I want you to go back to the beginning of this chapter and go through all the graphs again, comparing the 450 Rigby with the 460 Weatherby. And you can figure it out for yourself why energy values can often be very misleading. The key in all of this, in terms of what caliber to select, is you need to be able to shoot that rifle accurately. It's absolutely madness to carry a 458 or even bigger and you cannot shoot it straight. The bigger hole isn't going to make the difference. You need to shoot accurately.